Hello everyone, welcome back to the discussion. We are in the series and the question number 5 is what we are going to discuss, and it's a binomial expansion concept. So simple, just with general term knowledge we can solve it. So here an expansion ax plus 1 whole power 9, okay, that's binomial, divided by 21x square, and the coefficient of this entire expansion, coefficient of x power 4 of this entire expansion is this. So what is our a? A is not equal 0. Right, let's proceed with that. And okay, this 21x squared doesn't matter. So we need to expand that ax plus 1 whole power 9 and they will act together. So first let's write the general term for binomial expansion. TR plus 1 is NCR A power n minus R B power R. This is a general term if your expansion is A plus B the whole power n. Right? And using this, so what is the first term? First term is A and second term is B and your n is the exponent value. So let's try to simplify this general term. 9CR, A is actually first term is AX. So the AX the whole power n minus R, which is 9 minus R, and B power R. B is 1, 1 power R. It doesn't mean 1 power anything is 1. So 9CR. A is like A is just number. A power 9 minus R times X power 9 minus R. This is a simplification I can do. Now I need to find, okay, this is the general term. So TR plus 1 divided by 21x square. For every term, this divide 21x square will come up. That then only the expansion will get complete. So 9CR A power 9 minus R, their number, divided by 21 times X power 9 minus R divided by X square. Right? Now let's follow this. This is the pure coefficient. And let me simplify the X. My aim is now to find R. If you find R, then you will get the answer. Right? Two unknowns are there, R and A. If you find R, A will be the only one unknown, you can solve it. So for simplifying further, it's 9CR over 21 A power 9 minus R times X power 9 minus R. Both have same base. And if you will subtract the exponent, 9 minus R minus 2. And this will be 9CR A power 9 minus R by 21 times X power 7 minus, 9 minus 2 is to 7, 7 minus R. Now, we are talking about what is given to us is coefficient of X power 4 is 8 by 7, A power 5. Okay, from this I can easily find what is the fourth term. So, your X power 4 means that is 7 minus R equal to 4. 7 minus R equal 4 implies R is going to be 3. So, your fourth term is TR plus 1 equal to 9C3 A power 9 minus 3 divided by 21 times X power 4. Right? This is the coefficient of X power 4 and they already give in number form, in a simplified form. So the given thing and what I find just now, both are same. So we can equate it. 9C3 21 A powers 9 minus 3, which is 6. Don't use X power 4. We are just equating coefficients. 8 by 7 A power 5. So we equate these two stuff. Right? Now it's simple to solve. We can go with the equation solver. Okay. So let me cancel this first. 9C3 by 3 and here an 8. So A power 9C3 is 9 factorial by 3 factorial. 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial. 9C3 expanded and there is one more 1 by 3. A power 6 equal 8 A power 5. We can solve with calculator. If it's a calculator paper also, we need to able to solve. So 9 into 8 into 7. And then 6 factorial will get cancelled. That will be 3 times 2 and 1 more 3. A power 6 equal 8 A power 5. We can cancel this 8, 8. And 3 3s are 9, we can cancel. So you got 7 by 2 A power 6 minus A power 5 equals 0. So take A common. 7 by 2 A minus 1 equals 0. A is 0 is one answer. And 7 by 2 A minus 1 equals 0 is another answer. And then 7a minus 2 equals 0. 7a is 2. A is 2 over 7. And they said they clearly A not equal 0, so we ignore it, and my A value is 2 by 7. This completes the solution. That's simple. With the general term, we can solve this. Right. And thank you for listening.